Welcome back. In this video, we will understand how to create details, door legends along with the schedules. The same for the windows as well. So let's start. First, we will create door legends and schedules. For this, we'll go to the legends and from here right click and new legends and rename it as door legends and set the scale. Okay. And now go to the ground floor, go to the view and from here on the tile views, and so you can work on the two views simultaneously. So from here we will select the D1 door 1, and from here we will see the name. Its name is single door frameless 3 feet 6 inch by 8 feet. And now go to this view, click here, and from here go to annotate component, legend component, and from here select the component, go to the door section, and remember the name, it was single door 3 feet 6 inch by 8 feet, this one, and place it here somewhere and escape. Now click it, and from here host length make it maybe 5 feet so you can extend the walls. And now select it, copy, and copy downwards, and now again select it, and from here select the view direction to the front. Now front view is created. You can move it a bit here. Now for the dimensions, DI, and place the dimensions you need. I need this opening dimension, this one. You can make the dimension smaller. Click it, edit type, duplicate, and make it 1 by 16. 1 by 16. Okay, and from here text size 1 by 16 inch. Apply and okay. And now match MA. Click it and click it. Now add other dimensions, for example height and clear height, this jump, and you can add this dimension also, but we need smaller one, so select these dimensions, 1 by 16. Okay, now we need text here outside and this inside, so TX, and here right outside, again CS inside, place it here like this. Now add dimensions here, DI, and select the dimension 1 by 16 and maybe like this and this. Okay, and this one if you want, from here to here if you need this one. Okay, and now if you want to add the text, so if you want to add the text here, so double click this, and from here you can change the or add the text. You can add above, below, or you can add suffix. So I will add here below clear width. Okay, and now here I can add here, double click, and you can add on suffix or prefix. I will add on suffix maybe. Then clear height, and okay, it's looking good. Here also you can add same clear width, but it's fine for me. Now add the lines. DL, take a rectangle, draw a rectangle. Sorry, select the line, thin line, and add the rectangle like this. From here, copy it and paste it here like this, and name it as door D1. Door D1. Okay, and now copy it. This again, select it, copy from here to here, and trim TR. And in the second line, copy it first. Now second line, I have to add the uh, material detail. For example, panel and frame, both are wood. You can add here the ground floor, but you can add in schedules also, so no need. And you can move it somewhere here. In fact, you can add a line here if you want, maybe DL, and add a line here. Yeah, you can see our one legend is ready. Now to make similar legends of a similar category of the door, for example this door, but the size is changed. It's very simple. Select all, copy, and then paste here. And now I need D2, so I will go to D2. Which one is D2? Select it. It's the same door, but the size is changed, 3 feet by 8 feet. So I will select it, and from here 3 feet by 8 feet, select this, and then you can see automatically all the things are changed. Okay, and now I will match it. MA, click this and click this door, and now you can see automatically all things changed. All the dimension change automatically, and our text is here. And now only change this D1 to D2. That's it. Similarly, I will make all the doors. You can practice by your own, but I will not show you to make the video shorter. Our door legends are ready. Now we need to make the schedules. For this, go to the view. From here, select schedules, schedule and quantity. And from here, select door schedules, doors. Okay. And now from here, I will select first type mark. Now width. Now we need rough height. Then we need height. And then count. And then the level. Okay. And then select OK. And now you can see if I close it, schedule is ready. But if you want to make the format in the center, all the things in the center, then OK. Now you can see it is also ready. Now we can make the legends and the schedules similar way for the windows. So I will show you. Go to the legends, duplicate view, duplicate with detailing. All the details will be shown here. And then similar way, we will open our ground working and make tile view. And from here, we'll start from window 1. This is window 1. So what we will do, we will change this. First, I will delete others and I will just need one. We'll delete all these. We need this one only, and then we will copy. Window 1, select it, and here see the name window 6 feet by 6 feet. So select this. From here, select, go to the window section first and window, double M window 6 feet by 6 feet. Here we get it. And delete dimensions, no need. Select it, and from here host length maybe 7 feet. Okay, and make it upwards. It is outside, inside, the same. Now match ME, select this and select this, and delete dimensions obviously. And then again select these and move upward so it don't look odd. Maybe here. You can move it a little here also. It's up to you. And now we will add the dimensions DI, and from here select this. We need this dimension. We need this one. Sorry. Move it to downwards again from here to here, then here to here. We need dimension here. Now here to here, then okay. You can add text if you want, and then from here I will write it as window W1. And I will select panel as glass and frame as aluminium. We don't need to add the sill height here because we can add it in schedule. So we can minimize our work by creating legends and schedules simultaneously. One more thing we can add here is the window type. So I can add here the sliding window. Maybe I will copy it, TR trim. And I will move it downwards. Select it, copy here, and then I will write here sliding window. The window type. Okay, and now just select these and copy like we did in door. Again, go to the window 2, and where's the W2? This one. Select it, the same window, but the dimensions are changed. So 8 by 6. So we'll select it from go to here. 8 by 6 is right there. Select it. 7, make it 9. Okay, match MA. Select this. So its width is high, so we will increase the, yeah, like this. Make it here. Okay, it's ready. Just need to change the name. All other things are same. Now similarly, I will make the all the windows. Okay. Window legends are ready. Now we need to make the schedules. So for this, go to the view, schedule, schedule quantity, select the window. Okay. And now I need to make the schedule by selecting type mark. We need width, we need height, we need cell height, we need count, and we need level. And then okay. Similar way formatting, select this, center. So you can keep it in both the view, both in same views by making the sheets. So in next video we will make the sheets and then we will align these all in the sheets. So thank you so much. That's all from my side. We'll see you in the next one.